name's Jenny and I'm an educator at the Michigan Science Center. For today's Fizz science demonstration, we have a great activity that you can try at home. We're going to start off with 2 coffee filters. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find a washable marker. Washable markers such as this green marker contain water and pigments, the parts that add color. These pigments are both yellow and blue in the case of a green marker. We can prove this through a simple demonstration. First, we're going to take the coffee filter and fold it in half. Next, you're going to take it again, fold it in half. So you have a piece of pizza or a slice of pie. You're going to cut the very end off so you have a hole in the middle. Next is the fun part. If you want to be like a CSI detective, you can test out 2 different types of markers to see how their chemical or their makeup is different. So I'm going to use this green marker to do half a circle, and then another green marker, a different brand, to do the other half of the circle. Now I'm going to take this coffee filter and roll it up so it's big enough where it can fit into that hole in the middle of the other coffee filter. Now I'm going to dip it into this water and let it sit. Coffee filters are great because they have small holes in them. The water is going to travel up and stick to these spaces. It's going to move up, up, up until it hits the top coffee filter. Now some pigments or colors are heavier than others. So you'll be able to see which pigment is heavier by which one is pushed farther away is going to be lighter. The ones that stay close to your original circle are going to be heavier. So let's take a look at this one that I did earlier. You can see the 2 different markers look very different now that the water has pushed the pigments away. Here we have the yellow pigment staying close, so that must be the heavier one, while the blue is the lighter one. So again, this is an easy demonstration you can go ahead and try at home.
Hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm an educator at the Michigan Science Center. Today at Kids Down, we are demonstrating some of our Fizz science activities, and today we are making chromatography butterflies. Now, chromatography is the separation of pigments or colors. And to do this activity, you need some washable markers, 2 coffee filters, and a pipe cleaner. So the first thing you want to do is decorate your coffee filters. Any kind of decoration you want, these are already pre-decorated. Color them, make designs, whatever you want to do. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pinch your coffee filters together, like so. These are going to be the wings of your butterfly. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around. This is going to be your butterfly body. So just twist it, twist it, twist it. And then you can separate your wings out. And now we have our butterfly created. But now we got to separate the pigments. And to do that, we're going to use water. Now some molecules like water and some don't like water. So when we spray this, the water is going to separate these different molecules so you'll see the different colors. As you can see here, the green is actually separating out into blue, and if it waits a little longer, you'll actually see yellow as well. So you can actually get coffee filters, pipe cleaners, and markers and try this at home.
With the Michigan Science Center, and today we're going to do another experiment you can do at home called color changing or color morphing milk. This is a really fun science experiment that you can do at home with a lot of household ingredients. You're going to need milk for this experiment. You can use either 2% or whole milk as long as the milk has fat in it. And you want to pour it into a shallow dish or a pie plate or a pie tin like what I'm using here. Just a little enough to coat the bottom. We're also going to use food coloring and dish soap. Any dish soap is fine, and toothpicks. What you're going to do first is you're going to take the food coloring and you're going to put just 1 drop onto the milk. You can put it on in any pattern that you choose, but it's kind of fun to do 1 in each quarter of the pie plate. And try to do just 1 or 2 drops in the exact same spot. Once you have your food coloring on, you're going to take a toothpick, stick it in the soap, And then just gently touch the areas where the food coloring is. Touch it once and then lift the toothpick. And you'll see the magic happen. It will make some really cool designs. You can even put all of the food coloring into the middle of the pie plate and watch all 4 colors disperse. Now, why is it doing this? Well, detergents are hydrophilic. That means they can mix with water. And also they have a part that's also hydrophobic that doesn't like water. This structure reduces the surface tension in the milk, and the detergent tries to surround itself around the fat in the milk, but the fat is so evenly dispersed that it simply turns over and over and makes this swirling effect in the milk. So it's definitely something that you can do at home.